Hey everyone, you're probably here because you're keeping a close eye on the markets, right?
Especially with the U.S. elections coming up.
Oh yeah, for sure, especially for things like Forex and gold on Monaxa.
Yeah, got to think about what those elections might mean for trades, right?
Exactly. It's all anyone's talking about, to be honest.
It's a big deal. Elections can really shake things up.
And nobody wants to get caught off guard.
Nope, no way.
So in this deep dive, we're going to break it all down for you.
We'll help you navigate the craziness and all the potential volatility.
And how to keep your trading strategy on point, no matter what happens.
That's the goal.
And you know what's interesting?
What's that?
Monaxa's already ahead of the game.
Oh, yeah. How so?
They've announced they might make some temporary changes to their trading conditions.
Huh. Interesting.
Yeah, it's kind of a proactive move.
Makes sense. Got to protect traders like you.
Especially during a time when things could get a little,
A little while.
yeah, a little wild.
For sure. For sure.
So Monaxa's not trying to sugarcoat anything.
Nope.
They're being upfront about the potential for, well, they're talking about things like increased spreads.
Yeah, that's one of the things they're looking at.
And I gotta admit, to someone like me, that sounds a bit like, trader jargon.
It can sound a little technical, yeah.
Can you maybe break that down? What does that actually mean for someone like me?
Sure.
Trading Forex or gold on Monaxa.
Okay, so think of it this way.
Right.
When you're buying or selling, let's say your USD,
Mm-hmm.
there's this tiny difference between the price you buy it at and the price you sell it at.
Okay.
That little difference, that's the spread.
Got it.
And usually it's pretty small, right?
Yeah.
Maybe costing you a couple of bucks per trade.
Right.
But here's the thing. With increased spreads, that difference could jump.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it could go up to $5 or even more,
So each trade ends up...
taking a bigger bite out of your potential profit.
Oh, I see.
Exactly.
Okay, so wider spreads.
Uh,
That's like a small price hike
Yeah, you could think of it that way.
on every trade I make.
Pretty much.
Okay, now I'm starting to see why Monaxa's making these changes.
It's all about managing risk in a volatile market.
Makes sense, but wider spreads aren't the only thing they mentioned, right?
Right. There are a few other possibilities they outline.
Like what?
Well, they might increase margin requirements.
Meaning
Meaning you might need to put up more of your own money.
to open a position?
Exactly.
Mhm.
They also might reduce leverage, which could impact how much you can amplify your trades.
All right.
And, if things get really crazy,
Mhm.
they might even have temporary delays in order execution.
Oh, wow.
Or maybe even suspending trading on certain instruments.
Really?
If things get super volatile, it's a possibility.
Okay, so it seems like they're really trying to encourage, what, caution?
Caution, definitely, and responsible trading,
Yeah.
especially during the elections.
And they even suggest...
Reviewing your open positions and risk management strategies,
Oh, that's smart.
definitely smart.
Especially for someone like me who, well, is a gold trader.
Ah, right, gold.
I should probably be paying attention to that.
Yeah, definitely. Gold can be really sensitive to election outcomes.
Oh, for sure.
So think about those open positions, those gold positions.
Uh-huh.
Do you have a stop loss order in place?
What's that?
It's a way to limit your potential losses if the price drops.
Oh, right.
And given all the potential for price swings,
Yeah,
you might want to tighten those stops.
just to protect myself.
Exactly, from a sudden drop.
That's a great point.
It's easy to get caught up in the excitement,
Yeah,
but protecting yourself is key.
that's true. That's true. Monaxa also talked about reducing exposure.
Mm-hmm. Another important point.
And I'm kind of curious, what would that actually look like?
You mean in practice?
Yeah, for someone trading Forex, let's say.
Okay, so reducing exposure basically means scaling back your trading activity.
Okay.
So maybe you decrease the size of your positions.
So if the market moves against me?
The impact is smaller.
Got it.
Or you could close out some trades,
Okay.
lock in profits you've already made.
Oh, that's smart.
You might even decide to hold off on opening any new positions
Until
things settle down after the elections.
Right.
It's all about managing your risk during uncertainty.
So basically, don't panic.
Go panic.
But maybe play it a little safer than usual.
Exactly.
And, if things do get confusing,
Which they can?
there's always Monaxa Assist.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Fantastic resource.
So we shouldn't hesitate to reach out, right?
Oh, not at all.
If we need clarification.
On those temporary changes.
Or, any concerns about our account.
Reach out. They're there to help.
Perfect. So I guess the big takeaway here
The big takeaway.
is that elections equal volatility,
Especially in markets like Forex and gold.
Right, and being prepared, understanding the potential impact.
On your Monaxa trade.
Yeah, essential.
Couldn't agree more.
And you know what's even better?
What's that?
Is that these conditions, they're all temporary.
That's the good news, right?
Yeah. But here's the thing. The skills you develop during this time,
Like what?
like managing risk, adjusting your strategy.
Making informed decisions.
Exactly. These are skills that'll serve you well no matter what.
No matter what the market throws at you in the future.
You got that right.
It's a chance to become a more confident and adaptable trader.
So much to learn,
Always learning.
All right. Well, thanks for all the insights today.
Of course, happy to help.
This has been really helpful.
Glad to hear it.
And to everyone listening out there, good luck with your trading.
Stay informed and stay profitable.
We'll see you next time.
See you then.
Bye.
Bye.